Lime water retention. Plasticity is good. Engineering is often used to improve the water retention of mortar, in order to overcome the shortcomings of cement mortar water retention. Here to understand the 6 technical advantages of lime ball press equipment. A lime ball press using hydraulic cylinder pressure. Hydraulic system has an accumulator, not only to ensure the forming pressure, but also to ensure the stable operation of the equipment. 2 lime ball press forming roller with mosaic structure, on-site disassembly, quick replacement. 3 feeding port is provided with an adjusting plate to ensure material molding, compression ratio control, in a certain range, strong pressure, high pellet rate. 4 can be processed according to user requirements of different specifications, shape ball and socket. Ball and socket, after grinding high finish, easy to demolding. 5. The material inlet adopts mechanical dispensing device and polymer wear resistant anti-blocking liner, uniform feeding, to solve the problem of material accumulation in the material inlet. 6. Lime ball press roller overall quenching treatment of high strength